Hi guys, back for another video. Another unboxing of the Casio G-Shock. So this one's called the Gamers RGB edition. I've had a few attempts at this. The last one I put up of this version, few people commented that it's a little bit blurry, so I've gone back to the older camera. So hopefully this works out better. So we'll just read what the Casio website says. Inspired by gaming devices for a colourful design with a Cybertech touch. So basically there's a few versions here. This is the one that we're going to be having a look at. The GA-2100RGB-1A retails for 110 US. Yeah, so we'll get to the unboxing. I have another go at this. I apologise for the last video. Hopefully this time it won't be as blurry. That phone up there. So some of you have probably already seen what's in the box. We've got this cardboard watch holder where the watch sits in it instead of a cushion any longer. So yeah, we've got that. And we've got the usual Casio warranty card. And that's it. That's for the box. And we've got our nice Casio tin, the standard tin. The module number, I think it's the 5611. Yep, 5611 GA-2100RGB-1A ER. Let's get to the watch. Yep, 5611, the usual book. We've got the card not even attached to the watch. And we've got a little Hessian bag now, no plastic. And bang, here's our watch. So yep, so we can do the close-ups here. You can see the purple, red, green, blue. As I mentioned, the standout for this watch is basically the band. So the band is ultra shiny. It's black, like really black. And it looks really cool. This is what basically stands this watch out from the rest of the Casio range. It's unusual to see this type of band in such a high gloss color. As you can see, that's the matte. And then you turn it over and that's the gloss, and look how it shines off the light. It's brilliant. I love it. So, yep. So basically we've got our standard functions. You can see here. The hour markers are in the way, but we've got some pretty good lume here as well. So if we can see here, lights up blue. So I've got it set on 3 seconds. But yeah, the major deal with this watch is basically the band, how glossy it is, the case. Got here the G-Shock carbon core label at the back, screw down, 200 meter water resistance, no Bluetooth, no solar on this. You got the day and the hour markers. So yeah, we can put it on wrist, see how it looks. I've got about a 6¼ inch wrist, so that's how it looks on wrist. And yeah, like I said, it's really shiny there. You can see the contrast of the matte to the shiny band. So if you want to stand out, this is the Casio to get. The Casioak to get. So thanks for watching, guys. Lots more videos to come up. Learned my lesson on the last video. I've pulled that down and I'll put this one up. And yeah, any questions, remarks, just leave them in the comments. Subscribe, like, so I can continue putting this content up. Appreciate your time. Thanks and have a great day.